Hi, I'm Mona from Scholarly. We help smart companies around the world by growing their products and services and scale their business online. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to schedule a report in ZOHO CRM. The report scheduler in CRM is really handy for any report that you want to run on a regular basis and have it show up directly into your email. We can take any of our CRM reports and send them out. This way, if your team has to report to a board of directors, you may send the report on a regular basis. Additionally, things like tracking sales, lead conversion, marketing efforts are all frequently scheduled reports, or we can do something a little more tactical. And in today's video, what I'll do is I have a report that records my daily calls and tells me which ones I have to make, and I'm gonna schedule that so that I receive it every morning, and I'll use that list to dictate which calls I make throughout the day. To do this, I'm going to click on Reports, this module at the top. I need to go to Scheduled Reports here on the left and click New Report Scheduler. I'm going to choose that report. Click Choose, and then I can decide if it will be sent to me as a PDF, XLS, or CSV. So we'll use CSV. The start date needs to be in the future, so why don't I get it to send it to me tomorrow at maybe 5 a.m. And here you can set them up for daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly repetition cycles. Next, I want to select the recipients. So first, we're going to use the system to dictate who it can be sent to. In this case, I'll choose myself, but I can also choose additional recipients outside the system and send them by putting their email addresses here. When everything is all scheduled out the way that I want it, I'll just hit schedule. And now you can see I'll receive this report, all calls for today, daily, and I would also see the last time that the report ran. And that's it. Give it a try to see if you can make use of report schedulers. Share this video with your team if you find it useful. Like this video and subscribe for more ZOHO related tips.